Hey guys, so the marwari horses have come out into the game. So I know there's a lot of people here, but just brace yourself.
There's a lot.
Look at this one. This one is not my
favorite, but it's still adorable.
It's so gorgeous and adorable. Their animations, they're so dainty. It's adorable. The one that I'm going to get right off the bat is this one. It's by the way, the level 12 restriction for them.
And none of them are in Fort Pinta.
Is there one in Fort Pinta?
I don't know.
There's usually one in Fort Pinta. Do we go to Fort Pinta?
Yes, you go to Fort Pinta.
Okay, well, this is...
That's the one she wants to get. What are you going to name it?
I'm going to get it Potato Cake, and then it's sometimes going to be Arby's.
I'm going to get
over there.
One of the other two that's here. I don't know which one I'm going to get, and I'm going to name it
she's
Moon
not
Pie.
online. She's just like...
And I'm going to name it Moon Pie, and then... But I don't know which one out of those two ones you're not getting. I don't know which one I should get, because... And then its nickname would be Harley, but I would think I would really want the white one. But I have too many white horses, and I don't have enough
So, now let's go... You don't have enough pies?
Palominos.
Oh, I thought you said it. So we're going to go ahead and head for Fort Pinta.
Because you don't think there's one there?
Yeah, I don't know if there's one there, and usually they do put out one there that is a level 1 restriction.
Yeah,
and now I'm really scared.
It's probably going to be a cute one, because the ones in Fort Pinta are cute too.
Is there even anybody here? There's literally... There is one!
I'm buying that one.
This one, the mane, though, the mane kind of ruins it for me. It just sticks out. It just... That color
really
isn't
cute, though.
It looks like bacon.
That's still really...
You're getting that one?
No.
I don't understand why, like, anybody is here.
I don't know why I would get that one. I'm probably not going to. I like the coloring, but, like, the mane, it's just orange.
Yeah, it's a little bit orange. I'm not going to get it.
It looks like it just...
And if I did get it, I would put it in braids.
So it would look better.
Yeah.
And it would actually look good in braids. Just follow her. She's gonna gallop.
No.
Oh, she's galloping.
But look at this horse. I mean, it's a gorgeous horse. It's a liver chestnut.
But
I think, yeah.
That one's really cute, though.
But anyway, please comment down below your reaction to this if you went in game and saw them or bought one. And tell me which one you bought and the name of it in the comments below and what you thought of it.
So,
and what you think of the Mars, even if you didn't get them.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.